Is TCS your dream company? And do you want to get placed in TCS? Then you need to watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Ed with Bhavita. Do you know that TCS has already released notification for the on-campus recruitment? Just comment below if you have applied for it. In this video, I'm gonna give you a full guide on how to apply for the TCS and how to get prepared for the written exam and how to give the interview and all. Watch it till the end so you don't miss any important point. So TCS has already released its notification 3 weeks back. Hope you have all applied for it. Do comment if you have applied for it or not. In case if you are the candidate who applied for the TCS, then here how you need to prepare. First of all, TCS will conduct this exam for 3 different roles. They are Ninja, Digital and Prime. Ninja is for 3.3 LPA and Digital is for 7 LPA and Prime is for 9 LPA. So the exam won't be conducted in 3 different sets. Like you need to give the same exam. By your performance, you will be shortlisted in any of these 3 roles. If you're ready to give your exam, you need to plan for this. So usually the exam is conducted in 2 different sections. The first one is the foundation section. And this foundation section has 3 subdivisions, like which are, one is numerical ability, logical reasoning and verbal ability. And part B will be conducted in 2 different sections. One is advanced quantitative and reasoning ability and the second one is coding. So the part A can be cleared very easily because all of the questions belongs to aptitude and like there are some basic questions. If you know all the topics of aptitude, then you can easily crack that. But the thing that you need to be note down is that you need to keep the time in mind. The key, for each section, the timer will be running and it's a sectional wise timer by which you may take more time in one section and lose the questions without attempting. So try to manage the time in such a way that you attempt all the questions. And coming to the part B. Part B, as I said, it's conducted into 2 sections. One is advanced quantitative. So here you will be having like math related questions. Even this contains the aptitude only, but these will be a bit higher level. And the one more thing that you need to be noted here is that there won't be any options. So in the first section, like first part, there will be the options with the questions and you need to choose from the options. Whereas in the second part, in the first section, which is advanced quantitative and reasoning, you have no options. So you need to choose you need to solve the questions and give the answers in the blanks. And then soon after this time completes, within the timer you need to answer the question, and soon after the timer completes, you are going into the coding round. You will be given 90 minutes to solve 2 different coding questions. So usually these coding questions difficulty varies and you need to know DSA to do this one. If you need any further guide in how to attempt the coding questions, please below coding questions so that I will be making a new video where you will be getting a guide to prepare for it. So this is about the question pattern. So usually this pattern was of like 2025 and like this pattern did not change this time too.